Deputy Commissioner Kariboy, District u Abilash Baranwal u IS Officer, u Badeiru u District Magistrate u la pynjari dekat Section Shispa and Pulai BNS, ban khang ye ki kali ki bakit kia, ban yai lengba ka surok na Mawskei sya Mawdem, kabala ban kata ya ka jingkieng, kabala don jingma, kabala ban kedia la ne klem ha kano por, kane ka jing pynjari ya ka kanon ain ban khang ya ki kali na ka jingkieng, kade hadien bala ujor da UII katanat PWD nompo, ba kala don jingma ya ka jingkieng, ba kala jot bar kala ban hap la ne klem la da ya ki kali ke bakit kia habak ren sekilat patahai kubor u District Magistrate Kariboy u Abilash Baranwal ula ong bakan ke jing pynjari ya ka Section Shispa and Pulai BNS kadai ban petngor ya ka jingking bat ban khang persya ya ki kali ki bakit kia ki bala palat ya ka khandai ton lengba ka section la khang persya ya ki kino ki kali ki bakit kia ban ya lengba ka jingking lada don ki baile persya bat lada lap on pensitom ya ki katkum ki kandon ain.
One report from PWD Roads wherein they said that there is one particular bridge on that Mawskei Mawdem road which was constructed way back in 80s, and the sanctioned load on that bridge is 9 ton and the condition of that bridge is also not very good. So they have requested us to impose prohibitive orders to ensure that there is no heavy vehicular movement on that bridge. So accordingly, to prevent the integrity of the bridge as well as to prevent any untoward incident, we have imposed Section 163 of BNSS to ensure that no heavy vehicular movement takes place on that bridge.